Djmtv.
Welcome to Djmtv Weekly News Update. I am Laoro Favor. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Also click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us. Now, the news headline. No special unit has been created to replace SARS, says police consultant. PDP says to Sanwo-Olu to fish out the attackers of the EndSARS protesters in Lagos State. Obaseki vows to arrest and persecute the attackers of the peaceful protesters of the EndSARS protests in Benin. Catholic priest and imam joins in the EndSARS protests in Cross River State. Crisis looms in APC over tenure elongation. Now the news in details.
Djmtv.
Nigerian youths have been on the street for close to 2 weeks demonstrating against the Special Anti-Robbery Squad, also known as SARS. Apart from SARS, the demonstrators are demanding a comprehensive reform of the Nigerian police force. And these demands appear to be growing as the days go by. The protest, which has increased to all states of the Federation and the Federal Capital Territory, has been received by the international community like wildfire. In his reaction to the general discontent, President Muhammadu Buhari, after a meeting with the police hierarchy, directed the IG to disband the notorious SARS. In compliance with the presidential directive, the IG announced that SARS has been proscribed. He added that a new outfit under the name SWAT will be created to replace SARS. The People's Democratic Party Lagos State chapter has charged Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu to fish out the attackers of the EndSARS protesters in Lagos State. In a statement made by its spokesman, Tafiq Gani, Sanwo-Olu was urged to ensure that no such attack occurs anymore. The governor should come out as a sincere chief security officer of the state to prove that he really guards the lives and properties in the state, the PDP said. Such task is to ensure the security of all peaceful protesters in the state. He also urged Sanwo-Olu to truly show that he was passionate about the welfare, well-being and peace of the state. It will be recalled that hoodlums on Wednesday attacked protesters on a peaceful protest at the Lagos end of the Ibadan Expressway. The hoodlum launched the attack, which turned violent and left several of the protesters running for safety. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State has condemned the attack on the peaceful protesters of the EndSARS protest in Benin City. The governor, in a statement in Benin City, acknowledged the information reaching his office on the attack of the protesters by hoodlums. He demanded that the Edo State Police Command provide adequate security for the protesters, noting that they are exercising their rights as concerned Nigerian citizens. Obaseki also sent his condolences to the families of victims who died in the attack, acknowledging victims who sustained injuries as well. I have learned that hoodlums have attacked EndSARS protesters, he said, who have conducted themselves peacefully in Benin City. I extend my condolences to the victims of the attack, including those who lost their lives and others who were injured by the thugs. It is disheartening that anyone will attack a peaceful assembly of young people who are expressing genuine concerns over police brutality and intimidation in their own country. Reverend Father Emmanuel Bekomsin, a Catholic priest, and Ustaz Kabir Ololayelo, the chief imam of Calabar Central Mosque, has joined hundreds of EndSARS protesting youth to kick against police brutality and extrajudicial killing in Calabar. The Catholic priest and imam were with the protesters at the Millennium Park roundabout, where they expressed their demands for justice, freedom, and full police reforms. There are indicators of fresh crisis looming in the All Progressive Congress (APC) over the extension of the tenure of the caretaker committee. Several stakeholders have rejected the extension of their tenure, stating that the committee should call for a national convention where party leaders will be elected. Party stakeholders under the aegis of concerned All Progressive Congress members (APC) revoted and issued the caretaker/extraordinary National Convention Planning Committee led by Governor Mai Malabuni of Yobe State 14-day ultimatum to set out plans for convening a national convention in December. The concerned APC members expressed vehement opposition to any plan to extend the tenure of the caretaker committee, protesting that it is going to be counterproductive. APC at the emergency meeting of the National Executive Committee (NEC) on June 25th appointed the Boni-led caretaker committee after the dissolution of the National Working Committee led by the disposed National Chairman Adams Oshomole. The caretaker committee had 6 months duration to reconcile members in conflict and convene an elective national convention within the period. The committee has not shown any intention of winding up or convening an elective national convention. Opposition has begun to mount against any extension of tenure as pressures intensify for a national convention in November. That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members: Arinze Agoloru, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Djmtv. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.